So,
Diba?
whenever you're down, what do you do?
I give myself 20 minutes to cry
Okay.
in a day. Why will you give your whole day to your sadness? Wala ka na magagawa nun.
Oh.
But if you give yourself 20 minutes lang in a day, you allow yourself to feel
Feel
what
the
you feel,
pain.
but not to an extent na buong araw kang
Lugmok.
nakaganon ka na sa
Oo,
bahay.
malungkot.
Like, it's not.
Okay, to everyone watching us on From the Heart, napaka-formal naman talaga ng to everyone watching us on From the Heart. Dahil gusto ko lang medyo pakalmahin yung ating napakaganda at napakabait na guest po ngayong araw na to dito sa FTH. Dahil medyo kabado siya, but I told her, just be yourself. I just wanted to know you more. And I'm sure, yung mga tao na nakakakilala sa kanya, yun din naman ang gusto mangyari. Mas makilala pa siya. I'm sure you guys all know her dahil kilala niyo siya as girlfriend ni Joshua Garcia. But for today's episode, mas gusto kong makilala siya as a person, not just as Joshua's girlfriend. Kasama natin, tinanong ko pa po, but I hope I get it right. Emilienne Vigier. Vigier. Emmy, hello.
Hi, ate.
Kamusta ka?
Okay naman. Thank you for having me today.
Thank you for saying yes.
I got
This
you.
is your pang-ilang podcast guesting.
Pangalawa lang.
Sabi ko na eh.
Yeah.
Kaya I'm feeling you're a bit shy.
I am. Kasi minsan yung trail of thought ko is just,
Pero you know what, off-cam, para sa mga nanonood, actually madaldal siya.
Yeah, very.
Super madaldal.
Na-anxious lang talaga ako pag may camera. It's
Oo.
just different.
Huwag ka ma-anxious, walang ibang tao dito. Tsaka ang manonood lang nito si Joshua, nanay ko, asawa ko.
Mama at
Char lang.
lahat.
At
buong
syempre,
pamilya.
ang buong pamilya mo, for sure. They're gonna watch out for you. But can I just say, we met on Instagram.
2 years
She's
ago.
such a nice girl. Very, very nice. Genuinely nice. I didn't expect for
I
you
just
to
look
be
serious.
that nice.
I just look like I'm not nice.
And nagulat ako kasi, my God, ang galing magtagalog.
yeah. Well, conversational, dun ako proud. Pero pagdating sa school, wala na, I'm lost already. Lutang na ako dun.
Kasi for someone, yung ganyan yung itsura because she's half Filipina, half French, na-shock talaga ako na, wow, ang galing niya magtagalog, binabakla niya ako sa IG. But anyway, okay, tell us something about yourself. Ilan taong ka na? Anong ginagawa mo sa buhay? Paano ka napunta sa mundo ng content creation?
I'm Emilienne Vigier. So my mom and dad are French-Filipino. Well, my dad's French, my mom's Pinay.
Okay.
How did I get into content?
Creation?
Yeah. It started with golf.
Okay.
Yeah. Hindi ako athlete Kung ano nababasa mo sa
Oo nga,
news, hindi
nakita
ako
ko, laki
athlete.
agad yung
Alayo
mata
ko
ko eh.
dun.
But you're very athletic.
Yeah, since I was a kid.
Mhm.
So I did all types of sports.
Oo.
And so, yeah, it started from golf, honestly. Pandemic, I started playing golf.
Mhm.
And then, ayun, I started posting. And then, that's
Brands are
when,
contacting you na.
yeah,
Oo,
like
oo.
golf brands.
And it all
then,
started there.
Yeah.
High-end
then-
agad.
Di
Grabe,
naman.
golf. Oo, kasi alam naman
Mahal
natin,
lang the sport ang golf.
Emmy, yun na nga, yung sport na yan ay
Di
sinasabi nilang
di siya mura.
pangmayaman.
Hindi talaga
Hindi siya murang sport. Okay. Pero kung dun sa mga tao na kilala ka like super deep, sino ba si Emmy? Sino yung hindi mo pinapakita on social media? Who really are you?
I'm the friend that people call Mama Emmy.
Okay.
Because kilos ko parang nanay eh.
Really?
Yeah,
That young?
Yeah, maalaga talaga ako. Masikaso. Like, I'm very direct.
Mhm.
But I'm also the type of person that jokes around a lot.
Oo.
I'm very, you know how a mom is always like, you know, I'm like that.
Oo. Laging pasikot, malikot kung ano-ano ginagawa.
Yeah, like, ay, yung gamit mo, ay, yan, yan. I'm like that.
So
I'm
your friends call you Mama,
Mama
Emmy?
Emmy. Like, I'm the youngest in my barkada.
Pero why? Ikaw yung mas mature.
Yeah.
Ikaw
Though
yung...
even when, like, imagine barkada kami.
Oo.
Barkada ko, 10 years na sila.
Oo.
Like, even Josh knows this. Like, if my friends have, like, something sa cheek, kahit guy, and barkada ko talaga, tagal na namin, papaalam ko muna sa John nila, teka lang, may, ano yung part mo dito, tanggalin ko.
Oo.
That's why they call me Mama Emmy. Because,
Lahat napapansin mo.
yan, naalaga ko, yung mga friends ko,
Oo.
everyone, my
Why are you
family.
like that? Where did you get it? Yung pagiging maalaga.
Because of my childhood.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oo.
I had to grow up fast.
So maaga ka naging responsable.
Yeah.
Oo. So how many siblings do you have?
One brother lang.
Isa
Younger
lang.
brother.
Oo.
Yes.
Ilan taon siya?
He's 19, he's turning 20.
Okay, you're 27?
Yeah, we're 8 years apart.
Okay. So medyo mahaba yung agwat ng edad.
But we're very close.
Super close. So bakit naging ganun yung setup? Na sinasabi mo parang maaga yung responsibility for you.
Because, sometimes you go through family problems.
Mhm.
And I had to be the parental figure
Mhm.
that my brother and I needed at such a young age.
Mhm.
That's why ganun yung setup. Diba?
Oo.
Yeah.
And if you can redo it, okay lang sa'yo.
Oh yeah,
Oo.
I'm more than prepared now.
Oo. So if ever maggawa na kayo ng sarili niyong pamilya ni Joshua, di ka na mako-culture shock kasi sanay ka na.
Yeah. I mean, like one of my dreams is to be a mom. Yeah.
How many kids do you want to have?
3. Kawawa nga lang yung middle child.
Naniniwala ka pa rin sa middle child syndrome.
Although no, I would never let that happen.
You're very fun on social media. I always see your posts. I always see your stories, even your feed posts.
It was worse back then ha. Sobrang hyper ko talaga noon.
Mas
Ngayon,
hyper ka pa sa tamed pa yun.
Tamed yan. Super tamed.
Oo.
You should have seen me back then. I'm wearing wigs. I'm always joking around with my friends.
You like it. You like doing
Oh yeah,
that.
I love joking around to an extent.
You like being the life of the party.
No naman. It's very my personality. Like magpatawa.
Bubbly.
Yeah.
Mahilig ka magpatawa?
Oh. Sometimes I don't try to make people laugh, pero napapatawa ko lang with what I say.
Oo.
Yeah.
I like it. So
Yeah.
ito, you're half French, you're half Filipino. Pwede mo ba silang kausapin in French and then translate mo sa amin in English?
Donc, bonjour à tout le monde. Aujourd'hui, je suis dans la salle de podcast de Atecha et on va faire un épisode sur ma vie et de ce qu'elle va me demander.
Grabe yung language nyo.
Nanosebleed
Very sexy. Sexy ka na, mas sexy ka. Paano sabihin nun?
I said, hi everybody. Today we are Atecha's
Podcast.
salle de podcast, like
Uh-uh.
podcast room,
Uh-huh.
which we will talk about me and whatever she asks me.
I love it. Pero ngayon, nagagamit mo pa ba siya? May mga nakakausap ka ba naman in French?
Oh yeah. Like at
English,
home,
Filipino na?
me and my dad, we speak French. And then, minsan Papa French ako kay Josh. Like, mais non, arrête. Like, no.
Marunong na rin siya. Marunong
No,
na.
I mean,
Hindi pa
gets to your short words, but like, when I say, arrête, he'll just repeat it, which means stop.
Oo.
Be like, arrête. Basta pa nagigets naman yung, arrête.
Akit. Oo. Parang may sipon lang. Di ba? Akit. Parang ganyan. Emmy, ilang taon ka when you start living in the Philippines? Or paano ba yung
I
setup?
lived here my whole life.
Oh, but
everybody
you know French
thinks-
so well. Yeah, I thought
Everyone
you lived
thinks,
in-
did you just come back from France?
I know,
I'm like,
yeah. Really? Born and raised here?
yeah, girl, here.
Oh, where here? Exactly.
So I lived first in Quezon City.
Okay.
In Woodside.
Pero why is it you're so good in French?
Oh, because my high school was the French school in Bikutan. So lahat basically, if you're French or half French, most likely you went to Eurocampus.
Dun yun.
Dun yun sa Bikutan.
Oo, okay.
Nag-iisa lang yung school na yun which is
Okay.
connected to the embassy, obviously.
So,
So,
saan ka nag-college and what course did you take up?
I went to Benilde
Uh-huh.
and I took Consular and
Manila.
Diplomatic Affairs. Yeah.
Consular and Diplomatic Affairs.
Yeah.
My gosh, bakit yung course na
Wait,
yun?
maybe we should tell them it's politics.
Exactly. Major in politics?
Yeah, international relations.
Wow.
Not what I expected I was gonna do, by the way.
I know that you're intelligent, pero nung nalaman ko kung ano yung course mo, napakapit na po talaga ako sa upuan
You know, when I
ko.
tell people that, they're like, huh?
Oh, yeah.
I'm like, yeah, that is my
why?
course.
What's with that course? I mean, why took up that course?
Actually, funny story because medyo magulo yung college ko eh. I moved from school to school because I wasn't
kalipat-lipat.
sure with what I wanted to do. So a friend of mine was like, yeah, I'm gonna take CDA. I'm like, what the heck is CDA? She was Consular and Diplomatic Affairs. And I was like, oh, is that nice? Because at the time I was trying to figure out, okay, do I want to be a chef? Do I want to do business in Australia? Or do I want to go back home and study here? And what am I going to study? It's because of her. I took the same course as her.
Okay.
And so, I did like politics, but it was so vague for me at the time. Tapos ayun, I took it and now I super love it because it's so important to know.
Yeah. So ano usually ang trabaho ng mga nag-graduate ng Diplomatic Affairs?
Ambassador,
Ambassador.
consul, you can do, it can be your pre-law.
Okay.
And then, yeah, you take the foreign service exam after, which is hard.
Is it hard?
Yeah, I heard it's super hard.
Okay, so right after you graduated, was there a time na practice mo itong
Yeah.
course that you take up or that you took?
I wanted to, but then the problem was at the time my prof told me that if you're dual, you can't practice. I couldn't work in the government. I would
Yeah,
have to
yeah.
give up my French citizenship. So I'm like, no, girl, it's fine. I'm gonna just be a businesswoman for now.
That's why you have a pastry business.
That started pre-pandemic.
Pandemic. Mhm.
Yeah, pre-pandemic.
Okay.
But that's not the reason why. I was trying to hustle while I was in college.
You're working while you're studying.
Yeah, like I would wake up at like 3:30 or 4 a.m. and then I was gonna bake. And then I bring it to school.
Bibenta mo sa classmates mo?
Yeah, whoever wanted to buy. And then I started selling online.
Sorry, surprisingly, it shocked me kasi minsan iniisip ko, you came into a French school in Bikutan.
Kala mo
iniisip
siguro
ko agad
konyang-konya ako
mayaman.
na.
Ang isip ko agad, ay, yayamaning bata. Tapos nag-College of St. Benilde, may ganun din kaming thinking na pag galing sa ganyang school, yayamanin, raketera ka pala. Why did you have
Gotta
to
be.
work and study at the same time? Is it because you just want to earn or kailangan talaga?
I just wanted to earn.
You want to earn.
I wanted to
Yun.
be.
At least
I wanted to
mas
stop.
klaro.
Like, Papa, can I have? Papa, can I have allowance? I hated asking him. I'm glad it worked,
Yeah.
especially nung pandemic. Like it was super good. For me. Yeah.
Pero kasi sabi mo, dito ka lumaki, di ba?
Mm.
But was there a time nagbe-visit ka?
Yeah, every summer, like I'd be like 3 months in France.
So, yung family ng dad mo ang nandun?
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, let's go back to your consular and diplomatic affairs course. So ngayon, there's something happening in our politics. Are you aware of what's happening now? Flood
Yep.
control issues and
Yeah.
all that.
Very.
I want to hear your thoughts on it.
That's not something new. You have to look back at when we were colonized. Whatever is happening in politics, how leaders work, that stems from the past.
Yeah.
And it's just turned into modern politics.
Yeah.
So I'm not really surprised.
That this is happening.
Yeah, it's just like if you look back at the past and history, it's almost the same thing. In order for you to judge politics
Yeah.
or foreign affairs, you need to know how it works, the system itself.
Grabe.
Sorry,
Sa 2020.
I was so serious
Oh my
answering.
God. Well, I have to agree with you. You can't judge what's happening if you don't know what's really happening.
That's why I was.
You're half French, half Filipino. I think I asked you this earlier. Ano yung favorite aspect mo of being a French and favorite part of you being a Filipina?
So being French, I like that I'm very direct, liberal, and independent, and very vocal.
Yeah.
That I'm super vocal. But Filipino, I like that I'm very family oriented. I care so much. I'm an empath. Kaya ko. Yun, those two combined.
Let's talk about your non-negotiable when it comes to relationship.
Like communication,
Yeah.
example. So I think that's one non-negotiable. We have to communicate to each other, like how we feel. I expect respect from each other. Ang dami. I mean, gets mo naman yung values. Sobrang dami niyan, right?
Dapat ba same values kayo? Or same ng paniniwala?
For me, values,
It's
yes.
very important.
Yeah.
Oo.
Like your respect, your loyalty, your accountability.
Or about religion. Same religion ba kayo dapat?
Doesn't have to be.
As long as he has faith.
As long as his faith is up there,
How's your faith?
strong.
Very strong.
Yeah.
Are you a Catholic? Born again?
Catholic.
Catholic.
Yeah.
Oo.
But I do Bible study with people who are born again.
Oh, that's nice. There's
'cause
nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, because it helps me. Like, I super appreciate Doc Hayden and Dr. Vicky's Bible studies because I do it with them in their
Wow,
house.
that's nice.
And, I go there, one, to learn more about the Bible properly because minsan nagbabasa ako, hindi ka naman mag-gets yung verse completely.
Oo.
Unlike Bible study.
They're there to help you understand.
Yeah.
Oh, and you appreciate it.
Yeah.
What's your stance on people na may platform at dapat ba ginagamit yon for social awareness?
Well, one, we have to respect whether or not they want to.
Amen.
That's one thing I find a bit off when people don't respect that and they push people. Dapat may platform ka. Dapat ganito, ganyan sabihin mo.
Not because that they don't care.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Not because they don't care, but they're also protecting themselves from the public opinion.
Oh, so sometimes you want to say something but you're scared of what's...
Yeah, well, syempre, ang daming mata, diba?
What was the hardest comment that you have received?
It's when they start like bringing up what I look like or comparing me.
So, kesa makipag-away ka pa, you just block them.
Whatever word they use there, if I put it in the settings, yun naman yung filtered word,
That's nice!
matatanggal siya.
Kailangan mo ituro sa akin yan.
Mamaya. Sa TikTok, sa Instagram.
I love it.
Yeah.
Oo. I love how unapologetic you are. I mean, like, in a good way.
Yeah.
Parang kasi, you're saying earlier na sometimes you wanna say something, pero ayaw mo na kasi iniisip mo ano sasabihin nila. But seeing...
Pero waste of time din eh.
Exactly. But from my point of view here, it seems like you're very chill, nonchalant. You don't care what other people are gonna say.
In life, someone will always say something about you. And
True.
it's either you're gonna let that consume you or you're gonna move forward and just let them,
Nada-nada.
bahala sila dyan.
Oo.
Diba? So, syempre, you cannot sit and like cry or sob about what people say about you because it's just gonna bring you down. So, I choose to move forward.
So,
diba?
whenever you're down, what do you do?
I give myself 20 minutes to cry
Okay.
in a day.
Wow.
One of my best friends, I don't know if you know, Belle does makeup.
Where did you learn that?
Belle does makeup.
Okay.
She said, you only have 20 minutes in a day to be sad. Okay. After that, wala na. Why will you give your whole day to your sadness? Wala ka na magagawa nun.
Oh.
But if you give yourself 20 minutes lang in a day, you allow yourself to feel
Feel
what
the
you feel.
pain.
But not to an extent na buong araw kang
Lugmok.
nakaganon ka
Oo,
sa bahay.
malungkot.
Like, it's not.
So, like, when you're down, you put it on timer, you be
Yeah,
with your
umiyak ka, go.
dogs.
Umugulgul ka dyan ng 20 minutes. But after that, stop na.
And does it help?
Bukas ka na umiyak ulit.
Does it help?
Yeah, it helps. Because you get over it quicker and then you realize na you have to get over it.
Uh-huh.
You have to move forward. Diba? Yun, that's what I do when I'm sad. And I stay with my dogs.
Okay. Kasi she's a dog mama. How many dogs do you have?
6.
Dami! Dog lover ka talaga.
Super.
Oo.
As in,
When did it start?
since I was 6. My mom surprised me with Bisou. Bisou
Okay.
means, that's the name of my dog, but it also means kiss in French. From there, when we moved to Alabang, ayun, dami ng dogs dumadating, and then I was just like, I want a golden retriever, and then I had 4.
You have 6 dogs. Ano mga lahi nito? And let's name them one by one.
So I have 3 golden, so Noah, Remy, and Snoopy.
Okay.
And then I have a Pomeranian, which is Pomi. I know, very original, the name. Wag nyo na akong, don't even.
Ayaw niya mag-isip
Yeah.
ng ibang name pa. Basta
And
yun
then
na yun.
I have Lily, who's
Okay.
a corgi.
Uh-huh.
And I have Aiko, who is a mini poodle.
Okay.
And then Thomas, actually I had 7, but then Thomas passed away last year, January.
Sa mga dogs ba, meron ka ring favorite? Parang, you have
Yeah,
a favorite?
I have favorites.
Okay.
Well, they're all my favorite, but like super favorite ko talaga is Noah, Snoopy, and Remy.
Why?
Tatlo. Because they're goldens and iba yung...
Super lambing.
Yeah, iba yung pagmamahal ng golden sa owner.
Oo.
And they're very clingy and they're super sweet.
Sabi mo, 6 years old ka pa lang when you got your first dog. And up to now, you're 27. Padami ng padami yung dogs mo.
Yeah.
Anong natutulong nito sa'yo? And how did it help in shaping you as the person you are now?
They helped me heal a lot. They're like my source of comfort. So like, yeah, for example, when I'm super sad, your dog is just there. Pero nakakatulong siya, you're not alone. Even if you're in a house with your parents and your brother, there are times you can feel alone. But when your dog is there, it's a different story. Diba? Like, nakakausap mo yung dog mo kahit di naman siya sasagot sa'yo. Nandiyan pa din siya. Nakatingin lang siya ganun.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So, your love language is cooking.
Yeah.
Oo, parang sinasabi mo na basta kaya kang iwan lang sa kusina ng ganun katagal.
Yeah.
Doon ka lang.
Yeah.
Tambay
I
ka
find
dun.
peace in the kitchen.
So, lagi mo pinagluluto si Joshua.
Yeah. Even since high school pa, even my friends.
Oo. And the people you love.
Yeah, like, I'm just gonna cook for them for some weird reason.
When did your love for cooking started?
High school.
Bakit? Paano? Ano nangyari?
Feel ko dahil kay mama eh.
Lagi siya nasa
Nak, kumain ka na ba, Nak? Nak. I'm like, what? Wait, I'm not hungry. And I was so hard to feed when I was 7.
Okay.
Ayaw kumain. But then, weirdly, I like to cook. I liked cooking. I still love cooking.
When you were 7?
Yeah, 7 onwards.
Wow. What are like the
Diba?
Pinoy food that you love cooking?
I like cooking adobo with star anise. Have you tried? It's good.
Okay.
It's good. Giniling, I love giniling so much. So simple. Or
Giniling with
tortang
egg.
talong. I
Tortang
don't-
talong. Oh
With
my gosh.
giniling.
Yes.
Or
How about French cuisine?
I do cook a lot of pasta.
Okay.
Not fresh, but like I'll buy at Santis and then I'll cook. Or like I like making sandwiches too with good bread and sauces and stuff. Depends talaga.
Pinoy or French cuisine? Which one's your favorite?
I do love Filipino food.
Iba.
I must say.
Iba yung Pinoy.
Yeah.
Why?
Ewan ko, parang it's just
Simple?
gives you so much comfort.
Oh, masabaw kasi.
Masabaw
masabaw
ako.
eh. Oo,
Masabaw, malasa. I mean, I don't like salty food, but sakto, when it's cooked right, you know, it's really good. Or like,
You said to me food feels very emotional for you.
yeah.
Why? What's with food? Bakit? Di ba ako kasi pag nakita ko ng pagkain, ang nararamdaman ko lang gutom, girl.
Ako,
Ikaw, why?
I get
Why do you feel
emotional about it because I don't know, I feel like it's something everyone should have every day. Like for me, it's so important. Like even if you're just, I don't know, it's weird. I don't know, people might find it weird, but like I'm doing my nails or something, I always ask them, ate kumain na po ba kayo? If not, I'll order.
Oh, even if you don't know them.
Yeah, like, or like when I do my nails at home kay Ate Marvy ko, I'm like, ate kumain ka na. And now she's so used to like telling me her order. She's like,
kahit
ma'am,
di
gusto
ka
ko
pa
yung Korean. I'm like,
nagtatanong.
I got you. And her husband. I don't know. For me, it's super important lang talaga someone eats something every day. Like, I feel bad. Like, you know, not everyone can have a plate in front of them.
Yeah, agree.
Pero for me, whether you're rich or you're poor, having something to eat is so important.
Ganda ng sinabi mo. And,
It will get you through the day.
yeah.
You can have nothing, pero at least makakain ka. That's why I brought you food.
Diba?
Diba?
Oo, nagulat ako. May dala po siyang food. Nakakahiya. Siya yung guest ko, siya yung may dalang food. Oo. Anyway, you also said that creating food heals you. What do you feel every time you cook for your loved ones?
So much peace. Because I can't draw. As in, ang pangit kong mag-drawing,
It's a
ate.
Thai girl.
Sobrang pangit ko mag-drawing. But it's like making art for people. And then, the joy of knowing na their stomachs will be full brings me so much peace. Kasi ako nabubusog na ako sa amoy when I'm cooking. So don't think about me. Yeah.
Yung pagiging nanay mo lumalabas through cooking.
Yeah.
Yung alam mo yung sinasabi mo, Mama M tawag sa'yo ng mga
Yeah,
friends mo
there.
because you're very caring. And also dun sa mga tao, kahit nga hindi mo super close. Let's say
Oh,
yung
yeah.
mga nagagawa ka mo ng nails mo.
Yeah, I always ask, like, nakakain na po ba kayo? Or like, I don't know if I'm out.
Oh,
An example, I'm waiting. And then nakausap ko, I don't know, janitor or something. I'm always gonna ask them, nakakain na po ba kayo today? Di pa po, ma'am. Okay. But I can't do anything. It's not like I can order them on the spot. But I always like to ask.
Iba yung nagagawa nung pag-ask. You don't know what that person is going through. Especially
Yeah.
dun sa mga hindi mo ka-close, right?
What if nobody even asked them, how are you today?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Or what if that food na ibibigay mo sa kanila is their first meal of the day?
Yeah. Like one time, I was, not to brag, but I did that on Grab. Umorder ako sa Starbucks. Tapos sabi ko, kuya, uwi nyo na yan ah. Try mo yun gawin. At least once a month. Like, try mo. They're like, ano ma'am? Basta uwi nyo na yan. Kumain
Wala ka
muna
nang magawa? Ganun
Wala.
ka
Bored
minsan?
ako nung umaga eh. So I was like, I ate na kasi. And I decided to order again. And then, I told the rider, kuya, inumin mo na yan, tsaka kainin mo na yan ah. Bakit po ma'am? Basta, umaga pa lang, kailangan nyo kumain. And then, I don't know, I just need to know
How many
people
times do
eat.
you do that?
At least I do it like twice a month. Or like when, you know, I always remind myself to do it. Not every day naman, but as much
That's
as I can.
nice. That's one of the many good things that people don't know about you.
I mean, it's
And
okay
you
if they
don't
don't
share
know
it on
about
social
it.
media.
No,
I mean, like
I
a lot
don't.
of people who are giving always post it
That's
on
weird. I find that
post
so
online.
weird. I find that very weird.
posting what you give online.
Parang
You find
there's-
it weird because
Like, di mo naman kailangan ipakita the good stuff that you do.
Tama.
Dapat alam mo na yan sa sarili mo that you're doing it for them. Not, hey guys, here you go, I'm giving. It's weird. Just save it for yourself. Or like, if it's like a community thing, it's fine. But yung popost mo palagi na, I'm doing a good deed. No, you should be doing a good deed in private
Oo.
every day.
Or
At least
sometimes
one
pa
good
baka
deed.
pa nagkakakitaan pa, no?
Yeah.
Yung ganun tema.
Yeah.
Oo.
So,
you don't like posting about it. And you will never post about it.
no.
What else yung hindi namin makikita na ipopost mo aside from the good deed na ginagawa mo?
My relationship.
Yeah.
I like to keep that. We like to keep that
And I
private.
respect it.
Yeah.
There are, I mean, they know that you guys are together, but there are some things na dapat sa inyo lang.
Yeah, should be.
And nakatulong yun sa inyo.
Oh yeah, big time. Like, it's super peaceful.
Yeah. What people don't know about you won't hurt you guys in the relationship, right?
Yeah, and walang, you know, there are no eyes. You don't talk about your hurdles online.
You're an introvert, am I right?
I'm a super extrovert.
Really?
Si Josh yung introvert.
Oh.
Yeah, best of both worlds, girl.
Okay.
Like literal,
okay.
like
So you're an extrovert.
yeah.
Oo.
Although you'd be surprised, I'm not that. Like I meet people, but not like super duper dami. You know, my circle's still small naman. Maingat talaga ako sa tao.
It's
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
To be in this circle, pero very picky ka with those people.
Yeah, because I don't want to consume people's energy.
What do you mean by you don't want to consume people's energy?
Minsan, like example, mabigat lang yung isang tao. Or like what they talk about, puro about people.
Yeah. Oh,
Mauuwi mo yun,
okay.
tapos parang pagod ka.
Okay.
I don't know. Some people
Oo.
feel that. I feel that.
Oo. So parang pag feeling mo medyo nakakapagod yung energy ng mga taong to.
Yeah, uwing-uwi na ako niyan.
So hindi ka masyadong lumalabas?
Sakto
Or
lang.
you like going out?
I like
Or
going out.
you like staying at home?
Both.
Saan mo madalas gusto nagpupunta?
Sa ibang bansa.
Oo. May ano kasi, like may privacy, right?
Yeah, like it's not even just that. You learn a lot
Okay.
when you travel.
Amen.
Like
True.
you grow a lot as a person. Like people grow when traveling. Like if you're fortunate enough to travel,
Just do it.
just do it because you'd rather spend on experiences than things.
Oh, so you don't like luxury stuff?
I don't like loud stuff.
Okay.
There are very little luxury stuff that I like, but not loud.
Hindi ka talaga yung mahilig sa
Oh, you're
luxury things. Mas
no.
travel ka.
Like I like nice things, but hindi yung obvious.
Oo.
Hindi sumisigaw yung gamit. Or
Oo.
what.
Why? You find it cheap pagka nagsusumigaw ang mga
It's like,
gamit?
what were you trying to show off to? It's like brand. I like nice things, don't get me wrong.
Yeah.
I mean, that's just my preference, of
Yeah.
course.
Kumbaga to each his own. Siya
Yeah,
kasi
exactly.
you like spending it on travel rather
Yeah.
than
Although-
on luxury things.
Although I have some luxury stuff,
Oo,
don't get me
oo,
wrong.
yeah.
I have some pieces, but I
You
don't.
like it pero not too loud and not so much.
Yeah.
So you said you like traveling. Ano yung pinaka-favorite country mo and why? Because you
Obviously,
learn a lot, sabi mo eh.
France. It's France.
Oo.
Yeah. I don't know. It's not because I'm French, but it's because it's such a beautiful country.
Okay.
Especially the countryside.
What's with France na dapat makita naming mga Pilipino?
How nobody cares.
Kanya-kanya tahimik ang
Tsaka,
buhay.
yeah, tahimik ang buhay.
Oo.
Every
Wala silang
corner,
pake,
maganda.
Wala silang pake.
For me, every
Oo.
corner may something. Yung store, kahit the shoe store or something.
Yeah.
And the cafe, it's like, it's
Yeah.
just bright every
Oo.
corner.
Oo.
And people are nice, you know. I know a lot of people have experience like with rude
Mhm.
French, but they're not. They're required na to speak English. So, hindi
Mm-hmm.
na pwede silang rude.
Oo. But if you're gonna choose, kunwari, mag-retire ka na, is it going to be here in the Philippines or in France? Or just building your own family? Halimbawa, pag ready ka na to build your family.
I'm gonna have a family here
Okay.
because it's very convenient.
Then in France?
Diyos ko, kung burn ka nga lang ng CD, isang buwan, dito, one day, Green Hills lang. Example lang.
Hindi nga totoo.
Yeah, Diyos ko, ang tagal.
Very old school sa France.
But in any Western country though, it takes
really?
forever to get something done.
Okay.
You gotta go to the dentist. You have to wait 1 month for an appointment. No, buwing-buwing ka na nun.
Oo.
Sira-sira na yung ipin mo na sira na.
So for you, mas convenient dito.
Yeah, because first of all, ang daming tao dito.
Mm-mm.
Okay, we are very overpopulated. But
Super.
but what I'm trying to say is the service here is very good.
Oo. So you'll raise your kids here, but for retirement, you wanted to be in France?
Yeah, or in another country. It can be anywhere in Europe.
Bakit ayaw mo mag-retire dito?
Well, it depends also. I mean, it's far away. like in 40 years, but I
Let's
don't
see.
know. We'll
When you're
see.
there. Oo.
Yeah.
Okay. What have you learned from your past relationship or relationships na, kumbaga hindi mo na madadala dito sa previous relationship that you have?
I will never lose myself ever again. If you're gonna love someone, make sure that you really do not lose yourself and your life.
Mhm.
Yeah, that was hard.
This was before Joshua?
Yeah, I've only had 3 jowas in my life.
So, pang third si... I like it when she's saying jowa. na parang bang hindi siya French, mga Mars. Sabi ko sa'yo, baklang-bakla din to eh.
Yup.
Okay, so you had 3 jowa. Pang third si Joshua.
Yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, that was very traumatic because it was all like trauma bonding.
Mhm.
Love bombing, made me hate my life. Totoo yung physically allergic ka sa tao. My best friend, Aliana, she knows this. I would have allergies on my eyelids because I was rejecting physically the person already. Because every day I'm sobbing. I really lost myself there. My
So-
my passion, my everything.
What's parang your trigger na, oh my gosh, this is not right anymore. This is not what I deserve.
Being called names and telling you that, you know, what you're doing is wrong, lahat na lang mali. That's when you know na, wait, something's off. And my body physically rejecting the person, you know, me crying every day, my dad getting mad.
And how did you heal?
And narcissist yung tao eh.
Oh, super narcissist.
Naiikot niya lahat.
Or
Or like,
kaya niya i-tweak.
or like, papag-awayan niya yung mga tao. Like family niya and ako when wala naman problema. No, it was really bad.
How did you get out of the relationship?
My best friend helped me.
So
said-
ikaw na ang tumapos ng relasyon?
Oh yeah.
Oo.
Like I said, nope, cannot be.
Oo.
Bye.
Oo.
As in, hindi ko na kaya.
Oo.
And imagine mo, I would block. Pero unblock ko din. Nahihila ako eh. Kasi
Oo.
nga, narc.
Oh, yeah. What did you do aside from your best friend helping you?
It was this one diving trip with my brother
Okay.
that changed everything.
Okay, what happened?
Wala, parang nag-diving lang kami. We
Oh.
did diving classes and then for like 3 days.
Uh-huh.
And that changed me completely. Sabi ko, you know what? Like, if this, like, you know, forget it. I'll get over it. And then, ayun, parang nawala lang siya bigla.
Ngayon, being with Joshua, what's the difference this time?
Super safe.
Mm.
Safe, love. You can tell. Like,
Oh.
very mature. Like, you support each other. You respect each other.
Mhm.
You're very loyal to each other.
Mhm.
You found your best friend too.
Oh.
And you can be vulnerable, you know.
Yeah. How do you guys protect your relationship from public noise? Paano?
We just don't share to the public.
And you don't talk about it. I
No,
mean, you don't talk
never.
about what's happening
No,
online in
because
your relationship.
the life that you have with your partner or the foundation that you're building with your partner is always between you two only.
Mhm, tama.
And that's another way of honoring your partner, your relationship, and showing respect to them.
Yung sinasabi mo nga kanina, I mean, whatever it is that he's doing is purely just for work.
Whoever your partner is, you have to honor and respect their job. Kasi bago pa naging kayo, yun na trabaho
siya.
nila.
Yeah.
And same for me.
But is it hard?
Well, ako yung napapagod para sa kanya. Like,
Oh,
damn, you
yeah.
work so much.
Yeah, schedule
But
is
it's
crazy.
It's not hard because, I mean, how old are we?
Yeah.
I think we're mature enough to understand.
Wala ka nang pinagsaselosan.
No.
Oo.
I think manhid na ako at this
Oo, you're
point.
very
like, work is
You're
work.
very confident. You don't post a lot about your relationship, but whenever I see your post with Joshua, I feel the sincerity. I feel that you guys are genuinely happy.
We love our very private life. You know?
And you wanted to keep it that way. Kung
Yeah.
kayo man ang magkatuluyan at kung magkapamilya na kayo soon, ganyan din.
Yeah. I think that should be applied for everyone.
Mm.
Because, you know, evil eye is real. The more you share to the public your life or what you're doing, the more mababaliktad siya.
Nadjijinx.
Nadjijinx
Oo,
siya.
oo.
For relationship-wise, I think that what you and your partner have should be sacred.
Uh-huh.
Should keep that to yourself. Ano yung problema nyo or
Mhm.
whatever. Just
Mhm.
even if you're famous,
Mhm.
regardless of what you do in life,
Yeah.
you can post pictures, pero wag na yung buong buhay nyo.
Or kung ano yung nangyari, ano pinag-awayan nyo,
Yeah, like,
sa kayo
wag na.
nagpunta during vacation.
No, because it's like, I don't know, kung ako yun, parang I'd feel like my partner's belittling me.
Yeah.
Parang I don't respect my partner that much if I do that.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I
Oo.
mean.
I love how you respect boundaries, even if you guys have been together for 3 years.
You have to have boundaries when you're with
How
somebody.
important is that in a relationship?
Very.
Mhm.
That's like your non-negotiable.
Mhm.
Diba?
Kasi
So,
nga sabi mo, you don't want to lose yourself again in this relationship kasi what happened to your previous relationship, medyo
yeah.
totally lost ka. Walang
Yeah.
boundaries, walang anything, walang ganun.
Yeah, as in talagang pigang-piga ako nun.
Mm.
Like, I still give so much of, I give 100% when I can.
Mm.
Because, I mean, a relationship is not 100 every day. Diba?
Mm.
Each.
Mm.
Yeah, boundaries are very important in order for a relationship to work.
Mhm,
And you have to
mhm.
honor that.
What's your stand on marriage? Do you believe in marriage?
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Oo.
I think for me, marriage is a covenant.
Ayan na, lumalabas na pong pagkamama Emmy niya.
It's, how do you explain this?
Ah.
It's not just a promise between two people,
Mhm.
but between two souls. You know, they promise to grow together and not just grow old together. It's like, I don't know, it's such
Very
a,
sacred for you.
yeah, it's such a beautiful thing for me. It's like well, it's one of the most important decisions you'll ever make in your life that will
Yeah.
either make you or break you, diba?
Amen. That's true.
It's like building a foundation through forgiveness, patience, and grace and loyalty. Yeah, it's really something sacred.
And also, what's your ideal type of wedding? Is it a beach wedding or gusto mo
Simple,
sa church here in the
simple.
Philippines, in France?
Ako simple wedding.
How many people invited?
Max is 200. You only invite people who really have an impact in your life.
Oo.
And
In
who
the
really care
relationship.
about you.
Simple, pero where? Is it sa church or beach, garden?
Church
pa rin.
100% church.
Now let's talk about the kind of job that you do. It's content creation, very different from the ones that I think your parents is doing or even your family. Ikaw lang ba nag-iisang content creator sa pamilya o meron din
Yeah.
iba? What did your dad say about content creating or content
He's
creation?
like, okay, go. I mean, he supports everything I do.
How is it? Do you enjoy it?
Yeah, I do. Pero na-awkward pa din ako minsan.
Really? Hindi halata.
Hiyain kambing talaga ako ate.
I can feel that you're mahiyain. And to be in an industry na dapat hindi ka masyadong mahiyain.
It makes no sense. Like, what am I doing here?
Pero kasi, I mean, you're pretty, you have followers, di ba, right? I mean, and I'm sure you get to read some of the comments, what they say to you nicely, you're so pretty. I mean, like,
Yeah, but that's not...
bagay sa'yo eh. Bagay talaga sa'yo.
magaling naman ako mag-sales talk. But like, I don't know. I do like content creating. It's just sometimes, I feel like hindi siya bagay sa akin, but I still do it.
Bagay sa'yo.
And I'm very grateful to like be working with like brands.
How about acting?
Oh, I'm good.
Sabi ko sa kanya kanina, tatanong ko to sa kanya, you don't like? Kahit may magandang offer. Kontrabida, halimbawa.
Di, okay
Or
na.
a project with Joshua.
Ay, no.
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 What's with acting that you don't like?
No, it's not that I don't like acting.
It's not
Hindi
for
lang
you.
siya para sa
Ayun na,
akin.
it's not for
Like,
you.
iyakin ako Like, super duper iyakin ako.
Mabilis.
Yeah.
Oo.
I don't know, it's a beautiful craft
Yeah.
to have, but it's just not for me.
And it's not an easy craft.
Oh no, imagine mo lahat ng huhugutin mo. Parang,
Correct.
damn, so drained.
Kung hindi content creation, ano sa tingin mo ang ginagawa mo ngayon? Kung hindi ka man napunta dyan sa industry na yan.
Still doing business. My import-export.
Oh, you're in the import-export business?
Yeah, me and my dad.
Naman! Tell us something about it. Sige.
So my dad retired
Okay.
2 years ago.
Mhm.
But my dad didn't want to retire, so he had this idea. So he said, what if we import France's top-of-the-line
Okay.
necessity?
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
a
yeah.
product that we need
Here.
in our daily lives.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ah.
No, to Korea. So we decided to do it in Korea with one of my dad's old workmates who's Korean. And so yeah, umaanda rin na siya now doon.
Wow.
So yeah, it's a big thing because to import and export something, it's not a joke.
So you're gonna take over the business or you're now part of the business?
Oh, I'm the one doing it because Papa said.
Oh my gosh.
Papa does the
And
talking,
you
I
have
do the
all
rest.
the time doing content?
Well, right now, it helps that our business partner is Korean.
Yeah. Oh.
Because we gotta sell in big stores in Korea, and I don't speak a word.
But how is it? Do you like it? Doing import-export?
Yeah, I mean it's a good thing simply because you're exporting and importing a necessity. So kailangan siya every day.
Masakit sa ulo? Ano mas masakit sa ulo? Yan or content creation?
Content.
Ito naman, I don't know if sa circle ko lang meron, pero 2025 was heavy.
It was a karmic year or something.
I don't know.
Because year of the snake is shedding skin.
Malala siya, girl. Work issues, family issues.
Because it was year of the snake.
Okay.
I sound like a feng shui master.
Okay,
Year of the
nakatingin na ako
snake.
sa'yo. Gusto mo yung titig na titig ako sa'yo?
No,
Okay.
so it was like the year of shedding your skin.
Okay.
So year of rejection, of learning, and stuff like that. Kaya siya mahirap last year. As in, dapang-dapa ako last year din eh. Hirap na hirap ako
Na parang nung natapos yung 2025, nung nag-January 1 na, sabi ko, oh my God,
I felt
di ko
it.
alam paano ko siya na-survive.
Yeah, like I felt the shift of the energy like Jan 2 or 3.
Right? So why do you like those stuff? Yung mga ganyan, reading
No, because
and all
it's
that.
true.
Yeah.
No, it's true. Like, I'm so grateful for my guides.
Okay.
Like I have one from Australia, I have one from here. You know, people who are gifted with their freaking third
So,
eye.
paano yun? You FaceTime them? Zoom?
Yeah, we
via
have Zoom.
And
Yeah.
then they'll
Yeah, like my reader from Australia, Roxy,
Uh-huh.
she saw my swimming pool at home was broken. Yeah, as in maduming pool right now sa bahay. Sabi niya, and then why is your washing machine also not working? And then she'll guide me talaga and tama lahat.
without you even saying?
Yeah. So it helps. But it helps in a sense like they warn you like for the year. And I love how they always tell me to pray. Because these people are religious too. Because sometimes people think, oh, isn't that going against your religion? I'm like, no, it's not because you're gifted. Di mo wala kang
It's
magagawa
just
dun.
guidance for
Yeah.
you. Oo.
So, yun, it helps. Like, super
So what's
helps.
your reading for this year?
Secret?
Jinx. Good year.
Yeah,
Good year for you.
Year where it's my year now.
Really, year of breakthrough for you. Yun ang
Yeah,
sabi
like,
nila.
iba na. Like, baliktad na. Kasi
Manifest natin yan.
last year, she was like, hang on, girl. I'm like, I can't hang on any longer.
So, paano ginagawa mo pagka ganun? Tough times. Ganun lang yung kinuwento mo kanina. 20 minutes per day.
Mental fortitude talaga. Like, I really have to train my brain to be like, it will pass. Hindi ko dapat parang, I shouldn't think so much of the problem. Dapat isipin ko na yung kung where I wish to be. It's like manifesting.
Oo,
basically.
manifesting. So instead of paglugmok sa bahay or pag-iyak-iyak lang,
Yeah,
you're
no.
kind of thinking about good stuff that's going to happen
Yeah,
to you.
because you're feeding
Oo.
the energy of what's wrong
Mhm.
now. Sumasabay ka dun, di ka dapat sumabay dun.
Mhm. Do you like the woman you are becoming?
Oh yeah. Very.
Oo.
Yeah. I'm proud of myself.
Why? Let's
I
go
sound so
deeper.
confident.
Why?
I'm proud of myself. I realized how blessed I am to have gone through what I had been through. Because that was a blessing in disguise.
Mhm.
Kasi kung hindi ko yung pinagdaanan, sobrang mema ko right now.
Oo.
Like no joke, lutang siguro ako as a 27-year-old.
Mhm.
But my brain is like 40 now and I'm fine with it.
Kumbaga maaga nag-mature yung brain mo.
Super aga. And super blessing in disguise yun for me.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's why it really shaped me into the person that I am today.
If you could talk to your younger self, what would you say?
The wait was worth it. Yeah, super.
Grabe no, yun lang yung sinabi mo, but I felt bigat or the weight in those words.
Ay, ang tagal kong nag-antay. Diyos ko. Like, I was crawling since I was age 9.
And people don't know that about you.
No, only
Kasi,
my
I mean,
very
when
close friends.
I have to say, when I saw you on Instagram, hindi ko inisip na lahat ng sinabi mo sa akin na pinagdaanan mo.
Yeah. Oh no, you'd never guess.
Mhm.
And I mean, I wouldn't want people to know that.
Mhm.
And that's something very private.
Mhm. Can we say good life na ngayon?
I mean, it's gonna get better this year. I can feel it. You know, much more relaxed. Although I did always have a good life, it's just the weight of like these. I would say problems growing up was hard.
What do you want to happen this year for 2026? Without jinxing it, I just want to know, what are your plans for this year? Kasi di ba you're very athletic. Sa sobrang dami mo niya pong sports, nawindang ang ano ko. Akala ko athlete na ako, hindi pa pala. Char. Anong natulong sa'yo ng sport?
It really taught me grit, like hard work,
Uh-huh.
talaga. Like
Discipline, for sure.
yeah, discipline to an extent because learning a sport is not easy. It's like
True.
muscle memory. You're exhausting your body. But it really taught me to just keep on going. Like, you can do anything once you reach the level that you want to reach.
Kasi nga hindi madadali yung sports mo. So parang, do you feel like it has helped you?
Yeah.
Diba? With all of the things na nangyari sa buhay mo. Kasi
Yeah, definitely.
parang yung discipline mo, yung grit, sinasabi mo, natutunan mo na siya
Yeah.
from when you were younger.
Yeah. It's like the amount of times I fell down, I had to get back up.
When you were in sports. And in real life, you also
it's
have
the same
to do
thing.
that. Oo.
Yeah, like pwede kang Madapa ka lang na madaming beses basta get up.
What sports do you do right now?
Golf.
Mahirap.
Yeah, mahirap ang golf.
Oo.
Siyempre, liit nung club eh.
Sino mas
It's
magaling sa inyo ni Joshua mag-golf?
Me.
Pero naano mo na siya. Do you believe in that? That sometimes, meron tayong partners na kahit hindi nila sometimes gusto yung bagay because you like it.
They'll do it.
Oh, yeah.
Pero nag-golf naman siya before pa eh.
What is it that he does na ginagawa mo rin na at first you don't like?
I remember when he started running. And so he started running and then I said, okay, I'll run even though I have a meniscus tear on my left knee.
Bawal.
Bawal yun
Oo, I know.
So first sabi ko, kaya naman, pero sumasakit pa rin tuhod ko. When he started practicing kasi, I tried running then. Pero hindi naman niya tinapos. After nung hindi naman siya ulit tumakbo.
Oo.
He was like, not for me. And so I also said, not for me.
Sabi ni Joshua, not for him. What do you guys like doing on
Tennis.
free days?
Tennis.
Oh, that's also a sport. I mean,
Oh, but what do we like doing on free days?
Uh-uh.
Relax, like literally.
Netflix.
Yeah, or like he does his computer.
Oo.
Libang niya yun eh.
Oo.
Yeah.
Oo. So you, what sports do you do now? Golf.
I
lang?
work out every day.
Yeah, I can see from your IG
I
story
really work
sometimes you
out.
post.
Since I was 14, ayun, workout ako palagi.
Oh, kaya ganyan ang ano mo. O malakas ka rin kumain, paano ba? Paano magkaroon ng ganyang figure? Kailangan workout ka talaga.
Yeah, well, I was a very chubby kid when I was. Yeah, really? I was. And then, di kasi ako crush ko nung high school. So, nag-decide ako, I'm gonna lose weight. And then it started there. And then, you have to be consistent. Not long ago, I had lipo at bello, my arms. So, because even if you work out a lot, there are certain areas of your
I
body
know.
na may taba pa din. And
Mm.
I had mine here lang. Like, it wasn't fat here, but here and then my back. So, it
Oh.
helped a lot, even out my body now.
Oh, your stand about, of course, beauty and cosmetics is if you like to change something in
do
yourself,
it.
just do
Katawan mo
it.
naman eh.
Oo, tama, agree.
Tsaka, if it will make you feel more confident, then why not? Nandiyan naman siya kasi pwede.
Oo.
Hindi naman siya illegal.
Oh, and if you can afford it, I mean, why not?
And every person you look up to in Hollywood or here, there's something.
I
So,
know.
Come on.
Hindi lang nila inaamin.
Yeah, you
Oo.
should honor that. Like, magpasalamat kayo. Nandyan nga yan eh. Kung ayaw nyo something about yourself, you can do some tweaking. And
Oo,
it's fine.
if there's something that you want to tweak sa
Go
sarili
ahead.
mo.
Yeah.
Meron ka pang gustong baguhin
Hindi,
niya?
okay na ako.
Oo,
Ang sakit na nung
eh.
lipo sa braso eh.
Oo, yun lang. Yun lang, wala na. Okay ka na.
Wala pa naman.
Oo, kasi parang...
Tanggalin yung mga
Sabi niyo nga
tats ko.
kasi sa akin kanina, sabi ko, grabe, pagpasok niya dito, nag-full pack makeup po ako, tapos yung kasama ko ngayon, nag-chick tint lang siya, mga moms. Oo, chinik tint
And some
lang niya ako kasi
concealer.
may sinasabi siya, si Josh doesn't like girls who wear makeup.
Yeah, well, even me. Like,
You don't like wearing makeup?
Di-
So ngayon, ano
hindi-
lang yan? Tell us about your look.
so there's
Kung ano-
skincare. Clear Day skincare.
Okay.
Korean skincare. You should try.
Moisturizer?
Yeah, and then mascara, concealer, and then some little bronzer powder here. Konti lang. And
That's it?
blush.
Oo.
Setting spray.
Yun na yun.
Mascara. Eyebrow gel pala.
Oh.
Yun lang. Pero hindi ko kinulayan.
Bakit daw? Bakit daw gusto niya yung no makeup look? Or as
Well,
much
di
as
naman-
possible, no makeup?
Well, it's not even just him. It's even my dad. They
Oh.
always encourage, like, it's not even for men. Like, even me, myself, putting so much makeup doesn't feel like me.
Oh my God.
Kaya nga tayo gusto ng parent, like,
Tao.
tao, because they like you for you. So if you start putting like so much makeup on, mukha ka
Oo.
ng plakadong ewan. If you ask your husband,
He doesn't like also.
tamo. See,
He likes
same-
it more during weekends
same.
na wala akong
Exactly.
makeup.
Yeah,
True.
like, if you can, don't put too much makeup.
Mhm,
Tayo
mhm.
lang naman yung, insecure na we need this and that and that.
Let's
But
talk about insecurity. What's your major insecurity?
It can be my tats right now.
Why?
Because, like, same thing that public, pressure na yan. Sometimes I don't know,
I
maybe,
like your tats.
thank you.
Oh, I like it. It's so sexy. I mean, really?
Botanical garden na nga ako. Lahat puro dahon na at
at may
flowers.
meaning yan. What's with your tattoo na parang
Isa
feeling
lang
mo?
may meaning, this one. I don't know if you can see it.
That's your first one?
It says Je t'aime. That's my dad's handwriting.
Oh, ano
That's the
sabihin
only-
nun?
I love you.
I love you.
Best friend.
Jetem.
Yeah, Je t'aime.
Jetem pala yun. Kala ko Jetem. Jetem pala siya, mga moms.
Yeah.
So yun lang. And then the rest.
All flowers. It has no meaning though.
Oo.
I just, okay, It's weird, but when I was 17, so problematic with my life. And so I wanted to feel pain, and so I would get tats.
Okay.
Not so smart, but
well, it has meaning.
the meaning
It
behind
helped
it
you
is
through
growth.
that pain.
Yeah.
I mean, right?
Yeah.
May meaning pa rin siya kung iisipin mo.
But
So,
yeah.
why do you feel insecure about your tats? Feeling mo dito sa Pinas, hindi pa rin sila ganun ka-accepting.
And I get it though, because they're very conservative country.
Really here? Up to now?
Yeah. Ay, okay sana, pero ang dami niyang tattoo. I'm like, okay. I try to, that's one thing that I really get triggered with sometimes.
May ganun pa rin.
Yeah, like, okay sana, pero ang pangit na kasi may tattoo. Okay. Like, okay, it's fine. Everyone has their own opinion. But like, relax, dude. Because if that was your kid and then someone says that, you wouldn't appreciate it.
Oh, so are there times na parang nagsisisi ka? Na nagpatats ka? Dahil sa mga naririnig mo na ganun?
There
Or
are
no?
times, yes, because there are times na parang, okay, it's a bit loud. So I'll wear long sleeves. But I like wearing long sleeves though.
I feel like mas maraming tao who are more accepting and
Oh, yeah.
understanding of that. So, I mean,
And that's
just
why
show
it's
it,
fine.
girl. Show
That's
it,
why
girl.
just be yourself, diba?
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
before, it really used to affect me. Now, parang kurot na lang.
Oo, wala na.
Yeah.
That was parang for me is shocking. I didn't know that you were insecure dun sa mga
Yeah,
tats mo.
I can be.
Oh.
I can be, but also not really. But there are times I can be.
Okay, so last na lang, ang dami ko na natanong sa kanya. If there's anything that you'd like to do this year that you haven't done last year, in the previous years, na gustong-gusto mong gawin, pero you always put it in halt. What is it?
Maybe not this year. Maybe in next year magagawa ko siya. But to have my own foundation.
Why not this year?
Para ang dami ko pang
Gagawin.
responsibilities
Oo.
na need na gawin. So, at least like, I'm part of World Vision. We donate naman to Yakap Foundation.
Yeah,
I don't know
yeah,
if you've heard about that.
What kind of foundation? I mean, sinong mga tutulungan nyo dito?
Yung mga elderly.
Oh,
I have a soft spot for elders and kids too.
yeah.
But I feel like kulang yung sa elders.
Yeah.
And I also want to build my own, like, I don't know if you know this, but in the States, they have those shelters. Like,
Yes, yes.
for the day, people can shower.
We don't have that here.
I want to do that so bad one day. Pero parang,
Oh.
you have to work with the government siguro for that. But imagine, like, may isang barangay. Tapos, you have, it's not a shelter. You don't sleep there. But for the day, there's food every day.
Or you can
If you
stay
can
overnight.
pay, if you can pay, you can pay. If you can't, you can't. Pero pwede kang maligo.
Oo. Or
And-
makitulog ng ilang gabi? Pwedeng gano'n?
Kahit like a night or something. But as long as you can shower for the day.
Oo.
And you have like disposable toothbrush and stuff like that. Kasi, man, I feel bad for like the homeless talaga. Like they're so, they don't have places to shower, they have nothing. But at least for a day, they can go there every day if they want to. But I really wanna, one day talaga I will make that happen. Diba? It's like,
If not this year,
Year.
sana next year. Or the year next.
yeah, like I just gotta take care of my priorities first, but that's
But
one
that is
thing.
nice. I mean,
'Cause we don't
correct
have
us.
that here.
Yeah. Hindi ko sure, correct us if we're wrong kung meron ba tayong ganon. Of course, we have DSWD. Pero kasi yon sila yung hahanap or sila yung pupuntahan din yata para pwedeng makiligo or makistay yung mga tao.
Yeah, so imagine we work together. You're doing the kitchen part. So every day may parang catering ka
Mm-mm.
or like food
that will
stalls.
serve.
And then people line up but they'll shower before.
Oh, ganda.
So
Even
we
no
provide the
sleep,
amenities or we can be sponsored. Imagine mo lang something ganun na at least the homeless, makakaligo sila at makakakain sila today and they can come back tomorrow.
Oo.
Wala, like you won't benefit from it, but you're helping these people.
Yeah. Where did you get that soft spot?
I guess it's my parents that taught me that.
To be kind.
Yeah, like they gave me the best of both worlds, that's for sure. They taught me how to be humble. Even if we gave you like the best childhood,
Were you spoiled?
Oh yeah, you could say I was
But
a
they
brat.
taught you also to be.
But a good brat.
Oo.
But the one that one that was raised properly
Oo.
na.
Brat na raised properly.
Like if I want something, it's because I earned it, not
Okay,
naman yung
okay.
But
Kumbaga, they gave you everything, but at the same time, they taught you
they disciplined me din
Oo.
naman. Yeah.
na even if you have all these things, you have to be humble.
you have to treat everyone the same.
Mhm.
Regardless of your class, you know, you respect everyone equally. You look at people equally. Kasi when you die the same, like with nothing, diba?
So you feel bad kapag ka meron ka nakikita na nagsusungit sa guards or sa
I'm
mga
turned
waiters
off.
and waitresses.
Like, off na off ako dun. I'll try to talk to like the staff that they got mad at after.
I have learned so much about you. And I feel like, we're past an hour talking, but it
Really?
doesn't, yes, it doesn't feel like an hour because I have learned so much from you.
Really?
Sobrang deep mo. I mean, sometimes
Yeah.
talaga, no, you'll never know how deep the person is just
Yeah.
by like looking at their social media or anything. Sometimes, for sure, yung iba pupunta sa social media mo, ang unang isipin nila, ang ganda naman ito. Hindi naman nila agad maiisip that you're that deep, you're that empathic.
Oh yeah, no.
And thank you for sharing that side of you
course.
dito sa podcast.
Thanks for making me comfortable.
I'm super, I do hope I made you feel
Yeah.
comfortable para may part 2 pa tayo next
Yeah,
time.
yeah.
Oo, on other topics. Pero saan kanila pwedeng i-follow? Or is there anything that you would like to tell our listeners and viewers bago kita pakawalan?
Thanks for
One.
watching.
A woman of few words. Kung may a man of few words, siya po ay woman of few words. Thank you so much, Emmy.
Thank you,
Can I call you
ate.
Mama Emmy also? Parang di proper if I call her Mama
Pwede
Emmy.
naman, pero
Kasi mas mukha akong mama. Diba?
Ate
Oo.
Emmy.
Thank you so much, Emmy,
Thank you, ate.
for guesting on the pod. I do hope you had fun.
I did.
Thank you.
An hour na pala.
Sobra, more than an hour actually.
Okay.
So yun yung patunay na nag-enjoy ako sa pakikipag-chikahan sa'yo.
Me
And I
too.
hope you too.
Me too.
We have learned a lot from you. Thank you so much.
Thank
Once
you,
again,
ate.
everyone, Mama Emmy Emilian Vijay.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.